To another video from Dr. Lock. We have a tilt-a-door with a twist T-handle and it's in the unlock state. It doesn't want to move. Let's force it. Unfortunately not too sure on what's happened here. I can feel the actual locking bar there. Now these are spring loaded, so I might try something else here. There's my trusty pinch bar. It's not there. So this tool I like a lot and I use a lot. These are pretty good. This one. This one gets me out of trouble. This one's back up. See what happens. So the actual twist handle, although it's in the unlocked position, feels like it's in the locked position. So see if I can put that under there. No. This one has the sharp groove. Get a bit more action with that one. Okay, the sharp one wins again. Okay, so let's see how this works. So we've got our twist handle here, and it is moving the rod, but basically it's something to do with this twist handle, because this twist handle is acting like it's locked when it's not locked. And no matter which way you turn the key, you get the same result. And they've broken the screws off. Let's go through it. Let's go through and replace this. And what is this? This weird stuff. See that? Ugh. Yuck. Somebody's put Vaseline on this or something. It's not what you put Vaseline on. I hate that. It's grotty. It's grubby. So, those screws are way too long. I'll speed this up here by snapping them. Actually, I'll cut them. Don't want to stand here for 10 minutes twisting these things off. This is going in the bin now. Bang. And bang. Let's get this crappy T-handle out. I don't really want to touch this now. It's got this funky, oily, personal body lubricant on it. Yuck. Okay, so this is the new lock. This is the new lock here. These are really cool. Clutching function, C4 key, everything you could want out of a lock. That's it there. That's the unlock state. When it's unlocked, I'll actually turn. Okay, so these have two part nuts, one on the back, rivet on the front. So just go like that. Helicopter buzzing around. So that mushroom is tight. Take that one off. It's got a little flat edge there, which I'll put through there. That stops it from spinning. Okay, so that one goes in there. So that actual mushroom can't spin now because that flat edge when it's sitting flat. Make sure that's tight. Wind the nut off. These nuts go forever, but unfortunately you can't do much except to cut them, but we can bend them over, makes it more secure. Right, so working out which way the lock is going to go, so it's going to rotate it that way. So we put it on, we put it back. All this sticky stuff. Okay, when we turn the handle, and it's moving in the right direction, so it's good. Those washers aren't going to fit, so we'll have to leave them off. And look at that oil. Who does that? Okay, second one. Tighten this up. Let's get through the rim. Okay, and we'll just bend these out of the way. 1, 2, very good. Okay, now for this sticky, stupid thing, let's put that on there. About 10 mil or centimetre away from there. Tighter. So that mechanism is working. That's good. Let's check the bolt. Okay. So we can see what's happening now with the door, and I can see that the bolt is going down, but could be going down further. So let's draw that out. Yeah. Just better. It's good. Okay. Lock is unlocked. You can use the handle. Lock is now locked. The handle won't engage and is locked. Okay, so it's a Lin-Lock C4 cylinder on our website, rear fixing T-handle. Thanks for watching.